Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn the use of butego. Butego in English means has brought in as a verb in sentences. We are going to learn a topic that says has brought in, butego, as a verb. Let's start. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, o butego ngwongwo ya ụnyaahụ. Have you seen it? Again, o butego ngwongwo ya ụnyaahụ. Meaning, she has brought in her belongings yesterday. O butego ngwongwo ya ụnyaahụ. Remember, o is a pronoun. It represents both female and the male and the it. O butego ngwongwo ya ụnyaahụ. He or she has brought in her belongings yesterday. Ngwongwo means belongings in English. Number two sentence says, ego ebutego oche ya n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Again, class. Ego ebutego oche ya n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ego ebutego oche ya n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Remember, we have butego, but when we use a person's name, ego, or any name, you put a, you will put a, because of this ego, this name, you put a, it becomes ebutego. Ego ebutego oche ya n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Have you seen it? So, meaning, ego has brought in her desk from school. Ego has brought in her desk from school. The last sentence says, o butego ya ugbua. Again, class. O butego ya ugbua. Meaning, she has brought it in now. O butego ya ugbua. O butego ya ugbua. Remember, butego means has brought in. So, our verb here is has brought in, meaning butego. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.